Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add a profile picture on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to the section My eBay at the bottom side of your screen. And here at the very top of your screen you see your username, so tap on it and this is basically your profile. You need to press button Edit Profile and simply tap on your profile picture, and here you can select whether you want to choose an existing photo, remove current photo, or take photo. So for example, I want to choose an existing photo. Also, you need to allow access to your photos and basically select some photo and then tap upload button. So that's how you can add a profile picture on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.